Caller, hello.
Oh,
Hello.
Prophet.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good to you, Prophet.
I'm good. Where are you calling us from?
I'm coming from Namibia.
Yeah.
From Namibia.
Right, your line is bad. Repeat again.
My name is Natasha Lilonga from Namibia.
Natasha Lilongwe from Namibia.
Yes, I'm calling from Rundu.
Yes. Right. Are you looking for? You just need a prayer or you want a prophecy?
I need a prayer and a prophecy.
And a prayer and a prophecy.
Yes, Prophet.
Right. Natasha, I won't go deep, but I will try by all means to help you where I can help you, because the problem is the language that you are speaking. You are speaking English, so I'm not that familiar with English. Okay, I see.
I speak Vambu. I don't know if you can understand Vambu.
No, Vambu. I don't even know what is Vambu. But okay, listen to me, ma'am. The one that I will talk about right now is your grandfather. Your grandfather. It's Selma. Selma.
Selma, yes.
Who is Selma?
That's my grandfather.
That is your grandfather. Listen to me, my sister. As I was talking to you, or as I'm talking to you right now, last year on the 6th of March, you will admit what you know, you agree with me, but what you don't know, don't hesitate to say no, I don't even know what you're talking about. Right now, ma'am, last year, 6th of March, you took a flight to DRC. You went outside the country, from Namibia to DRC last year,
yes,
March.
That's true. Because last year I went to DRC in Congo.
Wait. I will tell you what you went there for. When you went there to DRC, you went there actually because you had a serious problem with your business. I don't know whether you've got a business.
Yes, I have a restaurant I'm running.
Listen here. If you're saying you have a restaurant that you are running, I see Rockside. What is Rockside?
Rockside Sea Grill Food, yes.
Rockside. That is a restaurant. Yes. Rockside.
Yes, that's my restaurant.
Listen here. When I'm talking to you, I have a serious problem, because when you get to DRC, I saw something like a grave. When I saw a grave, I saw you carrying a black chicken, chicken, live chicken, where they said you need to stand on top of that grave. And you were talking. While you were talking, this man asked you, who is your favorite person? And you said, my favorite person is Selma, which is my grandfather. And then he said, mention his name. I don't know, Mbambi, or Bambi. What is Mbambi?
That's my surname. That's my grandfather's surname.
That is your grandfather's surname. Listen to me.
Yes.
I saw you carrying this chicken. When you were carrying this chicken, there was a mirror which was down under your legs. And while you were talking, I saw something. When I saw something, they said when you get home, they gave you something like, I don't know whether it's a container. There is something which is...
calabash.
It's a calabash. They gave you that. When they gave you that, when you got home, 2 weeks after you got from DRC, your grandfather passed away.
That's true, Prophet.
Listen to me. The most thing that is worrying you right now is you are confused whether you did something wrong to your grandfather, or what you are trying to look for something, whether it's something which is with you, whatever that you brought or something. But I see that you are worried, because I see someone, Aaron. Who is Aaron?
Aaron is my husband.
Aaron is your husband. Aaron even ran away because when you came back, your business was booming. It was going, but now it started going down, because I saw something. A month later, I see a dog. This dog is called Danger. Was it your dog or your husband?
It was stolen by a snake.
Listen, I want to go to that snake. I saw you viewing cameras because your dog disappeared. When your dog disappeared, and then you went to your cameras. When you went to your cameras, you saw a snake, a python. I saw a python. It was swallowed by a python. But I can see that you still have a question that where is this python coming from, because you are staying in a suburb area.
I'm saying, yes, that's what worries me most, because we are staying in the estate and then we check the camera, but we cannot find where did the snake disappear or where did the snake come
Listen
from.
to me. This one now, I can see who is this one. Nekot, Nekot.
That's my son.
That is your son, Nekot,
Yes.
Nekot. Listen to me.
Yes.
You've got a serious problem now because even Nekot at night he doesn't sleep at well. He doesn't
We
sleep.
even take him to the village. We take him to the north now because the baby cannot sleep at all.
Listen, my sister, what you need to do, you need to go back to DRC to that man, because that man, whatever that he gave you, you said what you said when you get to him. You said you need something which is very, very powerful. And then he said, are you sure that you can stand for anything? You said nothing, as long as it won't worry my family, but I need something which is very, very strong. But what I can see now is there is a deal that you are supposed to go and seal, which is linking the government of Namibia. There is a
Yes,
tender
that's
that you need to
true.
receive. But now the thing, you can't cope because you are under depression. Your son is not feeling well at all.
That's true, Prophet. That's true.
My sister, I'm in South Africa. It's up to you. Listen to me. It's up to you. I'm in South Africa. It's either two ways now. But it's either you go back to DRC or you can come to South Africa. I will help you. I will try by all
Prophet,
means.
even tomorrow I can come. Just tell me when South Africa. Even tomorrow I can come.
Tomorrow
I just need help.
I'm in Johannesburg. You can fly. I think Namibia is not far from Johannesburg.
Yes, Namibia is not far. It's in less than an hour with a flight.
With a flight. You can come, you can fly to Johannesburg. I will be in Johannesburg around 5 p.m. I will be in Johannesburg, ma'am.
Prophet,
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prophet.